Garlic is so wonderful for your dishes and your health. It's an antiviral, antimicrobial, antibacterial. Garlic is just wonderful for so many things. I've wasted so much money on garlic because I've not used it soon enough. It begins to grow green out of the top, or each individual clove will begin to grow green on the inside. Today, I'm going to teach you a money-saving tip regarding garlic. This is how you preserve your garlic. First, you're going to start with a bowl. For this video, I'm going to use a clear bowl. You're going to start with a bowl, and in your bowl, you're going to add a few simple ingredients. Salt. We're going to start by adding salt. You can add salt in any measurement, and you can use any salt. It could be Himalayan salt, sea salt, kosher salt, coarse salt, fine salt, any type of salt. And you're simply going to add it to your bowl. Then we're going to add a tea. Now, for those of you that watched last week, you know this is hibiscus. We're going to use hibiscus today, but you can use any tea. Any tea will work. Newcomers, welcome, welcome, welcome. For those of you that joined last week, thank you so much for subscribing. There was an abundance of new subscribers last week, 35 of you. Thank you so much for subscribing and joining the channel. Please comment below so that the remedy seekers can welcome you. I'm simply going to take the tea and crush it. Just break it apart, simply. And then I'm going to add it to my bowl. Now, for those of you that do not use loose tea, you can use a tea bag. This time you won't have to wash it. You're simply going to cut your tea bag open and sprinkle it on the inside. This is such a money-saving tip. Oh, it has saved me so much in the past. Now that you have your bowl with your tea, any tea, you can use black tea, any tea, green tea. Oh, that tea bag was green tea. I used green tea. Any tea, and you only need one. Oh, you don't have to have several. You can just use one tea and salt. And then you're going to take your garlic bulb. Do you see the bottom? Do you see how it has that growing area? You see where it was attached to the ground with the roots? You're going to take that and sit it in your bowl. This will stop your garlic from growing. It will last. Click subscribe and join us.